Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to empty trash in your Android phone. At first go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and find device care. Then tap on device care. After that go to storage and then tap on recycle bin. Now from here you can delete your unnecessary trash file. Deleting trash file will free up more space in your phone and that way you can install more apps and your phone will be more faster. Now if I open gallery, from here you can delete your gallery trash file. Then tap on three dots, then tap on empty, then tap on delete and it's done. Now if you go back, then tap on messages. After that tap on three dots, then tap on empty again, then tap on empty recycle bin and then go back and that's it. You have successfully deleted unnecessary trash file from your phone using this simple method. And that is how you can empty trash on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.